today?
We're going to Invercargill.
Come see Burt.
We're going to go and see Burt and we're going to do some races.
Awesome. What?
Races. Up the hill.
Hill climbs.
Hill climbs. Breakfast at Winton. Off to the Burt. You'd think so. So this is the famous Burt Munroe track. Look how fast he got down there. Just a little walk.
Oh, here we go.
Yeah,
Yeah, kids do.
come to the Burt, they said. It's just a short walk, they said. Bloody hell, road captain.
What's wrong? The only bird that we should have put white shadow in this creek.
Yeah. Big old thumper.
That's a fast way to snap it off, bro.
It's just a gentle walk, eh?
I hope so.
No, it was just a gentle walk up here.
Oh yeah, just a little bit. Are you recording?
Yeah. You love it, eh? It's just a gentle walk up here. Hey.
Yeah, it's just a relaxing stroll, really.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah? Hey, you're at
Like the only one up the front. There was no one around you. Great, wasn't it? Oh, yeah.
so you're up.
What?
Morning.
What day is it today?
Waitangi Day.
Yeah. Happy Waitangi Day. Where are we?
In Chicago.
That's next door.
That's the truck museum right there.
The Truck Museum, Richardson's.
Does it look open? Oh, yes.
Yeah, I reckon.
Right across the
Hello, Ivan. Oh, morning, Ivan! Woo!
Everybody awake?
The accommodation. Accommodation pretty good for $20 a night, eh?
Each.
Mm.
Righty.
Big house. This is the Shona and Richardson's original house. There's Michelle and a single bed though. We had to put them together. It's the only downside. Bathroom. Brett's room. Marcus Wilson's room. Lounge. Hi.
Morning, Ivan.
Morning, Brett. Brett loves this photo being taken and he loves being on film.
Yeah, me too.
Wait till you get camera shy for it.
It's alright, it'll take me 20 years to edit all this. So.